Hello everyone, today, we're diving into the creation of a navigation menu that features a header and a menu using the drawer layout. Let's get started. First, we want to add the icons that we'll be using in our navigation menu. This step ensures our menu is visually engaging and easy to navigate. Next, let's create a menu resource file that will contain the items to be displayed in the drawer. Next, we'll design a custom header for our navigation drawer, featuring the user's photo and name. This will add a unique touch to the overall aesthetics of our menu. Now, we're going to design the navigation view in the main screen. This will ensure that our navigation drawer is integrated smoothly and functions perfectly within the main interface. Okay, let's add a custom toolbar to our main screen. Okay, let's go to the main Java file and define the variables we need. Now, we'll add the action bar drawer toggle and set it up to handle the opening and closing of the drawer, as well as display the hamburger icon in the toolbar. We will need to create new string resources for the open and close states of the drawer, to ensure they are properly referenced in our code. Add Drawer Listener is used to keep us notified of various drawer events like opening, closing, sliding, and state changes. Okay, everything is set up. Now run the app to see our navigation drawer in action. Here, we'll notice how the hamburger icon dynamically updates as you open and close the navigation drawer. Now, to ensure that pressing the back button closes the drawer, if it's open, and prevents the application from closing unintentionally, we'll need to override the onBackPressed method in our activity. Now, we will need to handle the navigation items being selected from the drawer, so for that, we want to implement the onNavigationItemSelected method in the main Java file. The onNavigationItemSelected method checks the ID of the selected item and performs the corresponding action. After executing the actions, you should close the drawer. Perfect, run the app, and enjoy the results. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more engaging and informative content. Your support makes all the difference. Thank you.